So hello there and good day guys. So welcome back to my channel, and right now is we are diving into an exciting platform called Dropcourse.io. So if you ever thought about creating and selling your own online courses but felt overwhelmed by the technical aspects, this tutorial is for you. So either you're a teacher, a content creator, entrepreneur, or someone with valuable skills to share, Dropcourse.io offers a seamless solution to get your courses online quickly. So with its all-in-one approach, you can design your courses, manage students, and even handle payments all from one place. So in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about this website. It is Dropcourse.io. So we will cover how to create a course from scratch, customize your content, set up pricing, and manage your students. So, all while leveraging Dropcourse's powerful marketing and analytics tools to scale your business. And then by the end of the tutorial, you will see how easy it is to turn your knowledge into a product and start generating income. So if you're ready to jump into the world of online courses and want to avoid the hassle of complicated platforms, stick around because we will get starting this tutorial. So you can see here, these are some features of this drop course. So you will be able to see here different features, just like this one. So you will be like this, an AI instructor. And then here you will be able to see here, you can also start selling instantly. So this is more easier, guys. So in this guys, we will have an exciting part to share that will simplify everything for you. So you can see here, so this will be the part where you can preview their products. Here you will just need to tap on that preview now. So as you can see here, this is the connected by Shopify, and then this one is the Amazon dropship. And then this part you will be able to see here. For example, to that is this Ghost Creator, which is YouTube and Autumn Animations. And then here is this Agency Blueprint, the one click. So if you want to try a product from them, guys, just need to tap on that preview now. So this part is the reviews of their customers. As you can see here, there are customers saying a review about this website. And then here is the simple pricing of this website. So, and at the bottom part is the frequently asked question. So you will be able to see here, how does this private label courses work? How long are your courses? Do I get to keep all the profit? And then here you just need to go up again and scroll up, because in this part, guys, is we need to log into our account. So as you can see here, you will be able to see here. So we can create an account. So once you sign in and log in, you will be landing on the dashboard of this website. But right now is, if you don't have an account, guys, you just need to get started. And if you have an account, just log in. So you just need to tap on this one. Here, log in if you have an account. So let's try to tap on this one, guys, or get started. So it depends on you, guys. If you already have an account, so good for you. So let's try to click on this one, log in, and then you'll be directed to this page where you will be able to see here for example, to that is this one. So you just need to wait for a minute, guys. So here you will be able to see here this icon of the drop course, and then sign into your account, your email, and then your password that you pick. So and if you don't have an account, you just need to go here again. So go back here and then click on the get started. And then here, guys, in this part, you will be able to see here, join the waitlist. So for you to create an account, you need to join the waitlist. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see your monthly done for you customizable courses. 20K viral content library, and then an AI chatbot for courses and communities, website builder, monthly done for you templates, course and community builder, email marketing platform, then done for you templates, and then social media automatic scheduler, sales call calendar, and then affiliate program. So these are some features if you will be able to join the waitlist. So the first thing you need to do is to create an account. So enter your full name, guys, and then your email, and then mark this one check the agreed terms and condition, and then create an account. And after that one, guys, you'll be able to see here a message that thank you for joining the waitlist. So they are currently making some exciting improvements to their software, and will notify you as soon as it's ready for you to try. So just be aware, guys, that they are improving something, guys. So we cannot proceed to the next step, but assuming, guys, that we successfully create an account, and here, guys, in the next part is you'll be able to learn how to use this drop course or how this works. So in this part, guys, is you will be able to see here the steps. So these are the steps, guys, in how this drop course works. So as you can see here, once your course is ready, so you need to navigate to create new course. So to create a course, guys, you just need to click on create new course, and then you will first enter your course title, description, and then you just need to select the category, and then you can start adding your content, which can include videos, documents, quizzes, and more. And in this part, guys, customization options for course design is in this part is Dropcourse.io allows you to fully customize the layout and design of your course. So you'll be able to choose here from pre-built templates or design your own look using their drag and drop editor. And then the next step, guys, is set up course pricing and integrate payment methods. So here is the part where once your course is ready, it is time to set up the pricing. You can offer one-time payment subscriptions or even free trials. So Dropcourse integrates with multiple payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, so you can easily receive payments. So note, guys, that you can easily receive payments just like multiple payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal. And then after that one, guys, is the part where you will be publishing the course. So here, guys, is after setting up pricing, you can publish your course with one click. So Dropcourse also offers marketing tools such as email campaigns and landing pages to help you promote and sell your course. Is the last step, guys, wherein student management features and analytics. So once your course is live, managing students is simple. So you can track progress, respond to questions, and offer certifications. So the built-in analytics let you monitor how your students engage with the course and see real-time sales data. And that's how Dropcourse.io works. It's a powerful platform for anyone looking to launch and sell courses online. Thank you for watching.